Hello friends, in this video we will going to find out interior angles. As you can see, line T is intersecting line L and M at point G and H. So let us begin. So as you see the diagram, a transversal T is intersecting line L and M at point G and H. We are taking two rectangular shade. As the name of the angle indicates interior, so we have placed them between the line L and M, as you have seen. A rectangular vertical shade portion is put on the one side of a transversal. So the vertical rectangular shade having a common shade portion with the previous two rectangular shade which are lying between the line L and M, and those angles, that is angle FGH and angle GHE, are the angle what we obtained. So let us see the definition and find out whether it is interior angles or not. A pair of angles, so we have got two angles, angle FGH and angle GHE, which are on the same side of a transversal. That is true, both the angles are on the left side of transversal T, and inside the given lines, the two angles are between the line L and M. See here, the shade portion here, we have the two angles which you have just now see. They are also forming U alphabet in horizontal order. So such angle is called as interior angles pair. That means our angle FGH and angle GHE are interior angle of the given transversal. Clear? So let us see the other part. One more rectangular is drawn on the right side of a transversal which has a common area with the rectangle which is drawn between L and M, and those two can be shown with the gray color angle, see here, and the two angles together forming U alphabet again. So the angle formed, that is angle BGH and angle GHC, which is forming U shape, are known as interior angles. So as you have seen, line T is a transversal for line L and M, and interior angles are formed either side of the transversal, and they form U alphabet, horizontal U alphabet, and the two angles are lying between line L and M. I hope the concept is very clear. So see you with the next video.